What will we eat today? Behold the dish of sultans. Once you taste it, you'll want to make it again and again. Let's get started. Ingredients. For the Beğendi, eggplant puree. 3 roasted eggplants. 2 tablespoons butter. 2 tablespoons flour. 1.5 cups milk. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup grated mozzarella or aged cheddar cheese. For the meat sauce. 500 grams lamb or beef, cut into cubes. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 garlic cloves. 2 tomatoes, grated. 1 tablespoon tomato paste. 1 cup hot water. Salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes. Steps 1. Roast the eggplants. Roast the eggplants over an open flame, in the oven, or on a stovetop grill. Once charred, peel the skin off and mash the eggplants into a smooth puree. 2. Prepare the Beğendi. Melt the butter in a pot, then add the flour and cook until it has a nutty aroma. Slowly add the milk while whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Mix in the mashed eggplants, season with salt, and stir in the grated cheese until smooth. Set aside and keep warm. 3. Cook the meat. In a pot, heat the olive oil and sear the meat cubes on high heat until browned. Let them release and reabsorb their juices. 4. Make the sauce. Add the chopped onion and garlic to the meat and sauté until softened. Stir in the tomato paste and grated tomatoes. Add salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes to taste. Pour in the hot water, cover, and let the meat simmer until tender. 5. Assemble and serve. Spread the Beğendi on a serving plate, then spoon the meat and its rich tomato sauce over the top. Garnish with parsley if desired. Serve alongside rice or a fresh salad. Tips. Roasting eggplants. After roasting, placing the eggplants in a sealed plastic bag for 10 minutes will make peeling easier and enhance their smoky flavor. Smooth puree. Ensure the flour is fully cooked before adding milk to avoid a raw taste. Whisk constantly while adding milk for a creamy consistency. History of the dish. Hünkar Beğendi, which translates to the Sultan's Delight, is a signature dish of Ottoman palace cuisine. It is said to have been created for Sultan Abdulaziz and his French guests. This fusion of Turkish and French culinary techniques became a symbol of elegance and has since remained a classic.